Hello, my dear kids. Today we are going to learn about 15 snakes' name in English and their important information with the help of photos and videos. So let's start. Dear kids, this is Black Mamba. The black mamba is one of the fastest and most dangerous snakes in the world. It is found in Africa. It is usually gray or brown with a black colored mouth. It can move very quickly and is highly venomous. Dear kids, this is saw-scaled viper. The saw-scaled viper snake is a highly venomous snake found in India. It is small but very aggressive and its scales are rough like a saw. It produces a rasping sound when threatened. It lives in dry and desert regions. Dear kids, this is common krait. It has a shiny black body with thin white bands. Dear kids, this is Russell's viper. Russell's viper snake is a highly venomous snake found in India. It has 3 rows of dark oval spots on its body. It makes a loud hissing sound when threatened. It feeds on rats and small animals. Dear kids, this is the inland taipan. The inland taipan snake is considered the most venomous snake in the world. It is found in Australia. It is shy and rarely seen. It feeds on small mammals. Dear kids, this is King Cobra. The king cobra snake is the longest venomous snake in the world. It spreads its hood when it feels threatened. Dear kids, this is Anaconda. It lives in rivers and swamps of South America. Dear kids, this is Indian rock python. The Indian rock python snake is a large non-venomous snake belonging to the python family. Pythons are constrictors, which means that they kill prey by squeezing it. Dear kids, this is Boa Constrictor. Boa Constrictor snake is a large and powerful snake. Dear kids, this is Indian Cobra. The Indian Cobra snake is a famous venomous snake of India. It spreads its hood when threatened. It has a spectacle-shaped mark on its hood. It helps farmers by eating rats. Dear kids, this is sea snake. Its tail is shaped like a paddle, which helps it swim. Dear kids, this is sidewinder snake. The sidewinder snake is a venomous snake. It is found in the deserts of North America. It moves sideways on the sand, which gives it its name. It has small horn-like scales above its eyes. Dear kids, this is Titanoboa. The Titanoboa snake was the largest snake ever known. It lived on Earth about 60 million years ago. It is an extinct species, which means it no longer exists. It grew up to 12 to 15 meters in length. It could weigh over 1 ton. Dear kids, this is green vine snake. Green vine snakes are mildly venomous but generally harmless to humans. Dear kids, this is common death adder. The common death adder snake is a highly venomous snake found in Australia. It has a short, thick body and a triangular head. It hides under leaves and sand to catch its prey. The tip of its tail looks like a worm and attracts prey. So friends, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos.